And welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. Steps are being taken to educate Jamaica's sports stars about the important issue of protecting their intellectual property rights. As Keon Rayner reports, it comes in the form of a staging of a two-day IP and sport conference at the Jamaica Conference Center.
Organization WIPO, which has partnered with the Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, as well as the Jamaica Intellectual Property Office to stage the regional conference, lists IP and sports as a US multi-million-dollar industry. And at the center of IP and sport are the athletes who compete in the different sporting disciplines. President of the Jamaica Olympic Association, Christopher Samuda, says sporting associations must get involved.
Well, it's a multi-billion industry globally, and certainly if we are able to strategically place ourselves and handle our IP rights, Jamaica will benefit tremendously from it. I think we have to start from the basics. We have to impart the knowledge in terms of who holds the rights, how can the rights be exercised without impunity, how can we use the rights in a commercial context in order to monetize the brand and also to make money to the extent that the economy will benefit and also respective associations. 19-time Olympic and World Championship medalist Veronica Campbell says protecting personal brands is of paramount importance.
It is extremely important because a lot of us growing up didn't even know about protecting our image, and got to give your talent and you have to work hard, maximize it, but you also need to benefit, and some of that benefit comes from protecting, because if somebody else you start using your brand and then you try to use it, then you may not get the same result. So you have to be able to own your brand to the maximum so nobody else can capitalize off it. So it's a very important conference and to educate us, and it's not only as athletes, it's just in everything. We just have to protect what we have.
Sports Minister Olivia Grange agrees.
The business of sports, at the center of it is IP. That's the athlete's pension. That is the source of everything. It's not just going out there and performing and winning a race, but your face values something. You, as a personality, value something. And so you have to protect your brand, you have to protect your intellectual property rights. And I'm hoping that the persons who attend this conference understand the gravity, understand the seriousness of this conference.
Head of Copyright and Content, Legal Affairs with the International Olympic Committee, the IOC, Carlos Castro, says IP rights is a guaranteed way to raise funds to assist with sport development.
Intellectual property is the way to ensure that all the assets that are generated by Jamaica in terms of contents and recognition and branding that is linked to Jamaica's sports success, that's the only tool that can assure that there is control, there is exclusivity in the rights that apply to those assets, so that revenues can be generated, and that can help to the promotion of sports in the country.
The conference continues on Wednesday. Reporting for TVJ Sports, I'm Keon Rayner.